You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to extract numbers from text file using regex in Python. Here we will scrape both the integers and float numbers. Here you will also learn how to convert string to list using map function. Here my environment is Anaconda. Let's start coding. First of all, we will install all necessary packages. For this, open Anaconda command prompt in administrative mode, where base is the by default virtual environment. You can also create your own virtual environment in DOS command prompt. First of all, we will activate base, and after activating virtual environment by using pip manager, we will install RE library that we will use for regex function. Next, I am showing you the text file. Here text file and Python source code file both are in same folder. This is the text file with some string content. Here we will scrape all the numeric values. Some numeric values is at the end of the line, some are from the first. Here I am also using both integers and float values. Next we will open Anaconda Spider IDE and start coding. First of all, we will import RE library. Next we will open our text file. The name of text file is mytext in read only mode. Next we will read all the content of the text file and store that content in a string. Next we will close the file and print the content. Next, run the program. This is the content of our text file. Now it is stored in a string. Next we will scrape numbers from this text material. For this operation, now we will use find all function of RE package and then pass the parameter. First parameter is a regular expression that will decide the scraping. Here R represent a row string, and for scraping digits we are writing \d plus that show digit. This function extract all the digits from the string in the form of a list of string. It means temp is a list of string. Next we will print the temp and run the program. Here you can see all the digits, but there is a problem. In place of showing floating point number 5.8, it is showing 5 and 8 separately. It means this function do not handle real numbers. To handle this situation, now we will make some changes in our regular expression so that this function can also handle floating point number. For real numbers, now we will write \d star \dot, and then for adding two formats we will use question mark. Then we will write \d plus. It means d star \dot will handle float numbers and \d plus handle our integer numbers. Again run the program. In output window, now it is showing floating point number also, that is 5.8 as a string. Next we will convert a list of string into a list of numbers. For converting string into numbers, we will use map function, and we are also using list function with map function. This combination will give us a list of numbers. In map function, I am passing two parameters. First one is integer and second one is our list of string. Then print the result. It is showing value error because we are trying to convert a string of real numbers into a integer. So it is showing error. To handle value error, now in place of integer we will write eval function. This function will convert string into a numeric value, either it is real number or integer. Now run the program, and in output window we are getting a list of numbers, both float and integer. Thanks.